So in today's episode, part 3 of what the hell am I doing to my truck? I've made some more progress. I don't know that it was a lot of progress, but it felt really good because I got to rip stuff out. So I got the 2 corners off from this radiator core mount out. I was able to move the spot welds, drill them out, but I just wasn't able to get this to come out because there's a bolt down there in the body mount that I have not been able to get out yet. I'm gonna have to cut it out. I cut the bottom off from that and I'm able to lift it now up and down. So yeah, I think once I get that bolt cut out, I might get a Sawzall and just kind of cut those body mounts, these rubber mounts, kind of flush right here on the bottom of that. And I should be able to kind of slide this directly forward and not have to pick it up. If I can do that, I don't have to remove the radiator on this. So that's a big thing for me, because that would probably be a whole other day worth of work. And I am 3 days into this. I'm not even putting in an hour and a half today on the 3rd day to get this far. And I think I'm gonna call it quits and quit while I'm ahead. I got that done. I've got the new radiator core support primed and painted, although it is the wrong color green. I might try to get another color green, or I don't know, maybe I'll just spray paint it black, just load it right up with paint. I'm not sure. But I think what I'm going to do though is I'm gonna cut the bolt off from that side and I'm gonna remove this. I'm not gonna have to remove the radiator, which I'm really happy about. And then I'm gonna start putting that in and reattaching everything. So again, I don't see this being done this weekend. Tomorrow I'm going to work at my cottage all day. I've got to work on that. I've got to work on my boat that I got to come back. I'm going to work on this probably on Sunday for a while, but I may take a little bit of a rest because I've been going nonstop now for 3.5 days. So I'm going to take a little rest maybe on Sunday while it's good weather, play with the dogs, do whatever, and start to get some of my plans together for getting crab traps in. Because it's really time to get going. But yeah, once I get that out, I think I'm gonna have an easier time putting that in. And it's quite a process. It's not for the faint of heart, but it's not horrible. I've had not more complicated builds working on motorcycles, but I've had some pretty rough scenarios trying to get cases split and cases back together again without damaging them. And this right here, I've just been wailing on it with a hammer and a chisel on areas that I couldn't quite get. I don't have to worry about anything, but it takes time to uncouple all of the connections on the loom that comes through here. That's going to be fun putting it back in, but I've taken photographs of everything. So I think I've got all my bases covered, and I really only think I have maybe, another 5 hours worth of work. So I'm going to say anybody that's thinking about doing this to their pickup, it's like a 12-hour job, I'm going to guess. I've had 5 hours, I think, up to yesterday, 4.5, 5 hours. I'm gonna spend about another 4.5, 5 hours putting it back together. That's 10. Today is about an hour and a half. So yeah, I think I'm at about 11.5, 12 hours, tearing it apart, putting it back together. I'm not rushing, but I'm moving along, I think. And yeah, I think it's gonna turn out good.